Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. Which elevate your workflow. Let's dive in. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to the innovation workspace. So Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, template, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So the first step that you have to do is just click over sign up for free, and then you will find this page. As you can see, you have to write your email address and your password. So we have just firstly to write your email address and you click over continue with email. So we have here recommend use your work email, keeps work and life separate. Then you will find here check your email. We have just sent you a unique sign in link to your email, and here we have it. Then you will find this page as you can see. So this is the home page as you can see. So we have here home, recent, and we have also here started. As you can see, you can just search by title or topic if you want and select the niche, for example. And then we have the home. So we have here unlock Miro superpowers, bring ideas to life with limited boards, guest access, and 2000 over than 2,500 diagramming. Here we have posting theme, we have blank board, flow chart, mind map, Kanban framework, quick retrospective, and we have intelligent templates. So once you click over create new, you will find here board, space, import, and we have export templates, explore microverse. So for example, here we have export templates. So we have here, for example, various templates. We have intelligent templates, achieve more with EA powered workflows, integrations, and intelligent widgets. You have just to click over export templates and you will find this page as you can see. Then we have here, for example, this one, it's Salvold retrospective, and we have here also another one which is daily stand-up, quick retrospective, and we have Miro mind map, flowchart, and we have this one. We have concept map, quick retrospective, and we have sticky notebooks. Then we have here for you all templates. For example, we have here this one, recent, Miroverse, and we have also here bullet blocks, and we have here by use case like meetings and workshops, ideation and brainstorming, research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning, programming and mapping. Then you have your presentation and slides, and that's it. So you choose, for example, this blank board, and you will find this page as you can see. So here we have it. As you can see, here we have other options like you have to write a title firstly here. For example, I will write like that. Then we have here if you want to upgrade, and we have here Miro. So as you can see, then we have here Miro, and we come back to the home page as you can see. Also we have here other options like we have present for record, we choose for example board or talk track, and here we have also the account activity. Also if you want a comments or recording, also you can just record a talk track and then you get started. Then we have here this option of if you wanna just use thumbs up, and we have love air and other options. And also we have notes here. For example, this note you can just write it, or you can use to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, board also. That's it for the notes. Then we have timer also, if you want it, and voting. And this is it about for this one. Then if one is zoom also, this is the max. Then we have here also frames and layers. On the frames, layers, for example, this one, you have just to add, just to create a frame like that. And also we have other options like layers. You can just create new layers. For example, we have to create the first layer here, and then we have also here help and resources if you want. And in the left we have other options like firstly create with EA, this one, as you can see. Now just to ask whatever you want, for example ideas, create innovative, user stories, pinpoints, and we have how might, and then we have this one for documents, write a prompt or select example. Then we have image here, also we have diagram, and that's it for this one. So let's move on to the next one. We have here template. So I select the template that you want. Then also you have here sticky note. For example, I will select this one and I will put it here, as you can see. As you can see, also I can just put it here, put it here, and we have also here if we want to modify all these things. We have font size, font style, alignment, insert link, and the size, and show auto, abstract, and emoji, cluster object, and we have a comment, lock, Miro EA, and we have more options like, as you can see. Then we have here also text if you want to write something about this. We have also the port if you want to edit here in the right of the title. We have to port, edit, and view the preference also. Then we have in the text, you have just to click over here and you choose also the option that you want here and you get started. Then we have here this one. For example, I will choose this one. I will just put it like that, and I will choose the color that I want, and this is it, as you can see. Also you can choose other, and we have more shapes here, and then we have also here note. For example, we will type a note here. We have a to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, board notation. Then we have here also tools, medias, and integration. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.